Vant Panels is dedicated to adding luxury and modern style to elevate any area of your home into your new favorite room. Now that you've gotten your Vant Panels arrangement, it's time to start transforming your space.
First, make sure that you have a drill, a level, a pencil, and tape measure. To begin, measure the wall that you intend to hang your panels on. Using your measuring tape, find and mark where the center of your arrangement will be. Use your level to draw a straight line to indicate where you want your panels to start. With your wall marked, take your first set of brackets and a single panel. Click one bracket at a time into the panel's plastic clips located on the back of each panel. Before inserting your bracket, it is important to ensure that the metal stopper is at the bottom of the bracket assembly and that the panel is positioned at the center of the brackets. Then, slide the panel down until it hits the stopper. Once the brackets are connected to your first panel, lift the assembly and position it flush against your wall. We recommend placing a level on the panel while mounting the brackets to make sure that the panel is straight. Next, drive the included anchorless screws into the first bracket holes immediately above the panel. Now, slide your first mounted panel up over the mounted screws. With the bottom screw holes exposed below the panel, finish drilling the remaining screws into the wall to secure the bracket to the wall. Finally, slide the panel back until it hits the stopper. Once the bracket is secured, take your remaining panel and line up the plastic clips with the metal brackets. Then, simply push to click the panel into place. To complete your arrangement, repeat these steps until all of your panels are mounted. To prevent any spacing between columns and rows, apply gentle pressure towards the existing column from the side or from above when installing. Please note that velvet panels can appear to be two different colors depending on the direction of the material. If the panels seem to be two different shades, simply pop the panel off of the metal brackets, rotate, and click back into place.
It's that easy to completely transform any room into your very own oasis. For affordable luxury and elegant comfort, look no further.